Welcome back. We're here with Tory Cenaj, founder of Partners in Digital Health, a forward-reaching publishing and communications company. Tory is the publisher of the first international peer-reviewed journal, Blockchain in Healthcare Today, as well as the Telehealth and Medicine Today journal. Tory, thank you for spending time with us.
It's a pleasure being here. Thank you.
In speaking earlier, before we got on camera, you referred to this year as your year of traction.
It is.
Tell me about how much progress you've made this year.
We have most definitely turned the corner. As a startup, it can be very, very difficult indeed. However, this year has felt like we have just exploded. We just brought on and announced a new editor-in-chief, Dr. Amar Gupta from MIT. Very, very blessed indeed, both disruptor and humanitarian, extremely talented man. And he joins Dr. John Halamka over at Harvard. Absolutely fabulous, blockbuster team. We have a internationally renowned board, editorial board on both journals, both the Blockchain and the Telehealth Journal. We also actually have now the endorsement of the American Telemedicine Association, the ATA, and we carry their logo quite proudly on both our home pages. We are now collaborating with HIMSS and their blockchain task force on the Blockchain Journal. And we're introducing a new column, editorial column. That's HIMSS and, of course, the IEEE. And we just announced earlier this month a new ICAID. It's a work group that we have begun, international work group. And that's on the harmonization of technology for remote clinical trials. And that has many, many people around the globe actually very, very excited, because this is something that we have all been waiting for quite a long time now. And we're looking at using technology very prudently, but in injecting this new technology into traditional clinical trials. And so we're expecting that it'll really shorten the progression of the trials, if you will, lower the costs, bring new drugs to market quicker, and just all sorts of fantastic things will happen, and we're all looking truly very forward to it.
And hopefully help companies realize when they're not going down the right path and
faster,
and
yes.
use their resources, use their precious
wiser.
Resources much more wisely.
Most definitely, yes.
Pretty good year. That'd be a pretty good 5 years for most people. That's a good year for you.
It is, yes.
And tell us about your passions. You've had so much experience across publishing, across clinical trials management. What drives you?
All in healthcare. What drives me is the horizon line. What's next? What we should expect. What's going to impact the marketplace? What is going to affect patients? Me personally, I don't have health insurance. I am not an N of one. I know that I am an N of millions. And more and more patients are becoming non-insurance card carriers. And my pharmacist tells me this every time I go into that big box pharmacy. And he's not at all surprised anymore. He was when I first told him, oh no, I don't have insurance, this is out of pocket. And now when I come in, oh Tory, you know what, more and more people are coming in now. Yeah, no kidding. So it's far beyond epidemic, and we're all finally on the same team now. And so we're all gunning toward the same end game. And I think technology and innovation plays a huge role in that, but my horizon line ends with the patient. How is the patient impacted financially? Because that really is what's most important to them. Their decisions are based on, can I afford this or not? Just as I base my decision on, can I afford this or not? Everyone's circumstance is different. And healthcare has heart, and we need to show ours.
Is that perhaps why, if you go back a couple of years, the only tangible use case for blockchain that most people were aware of was cryptocurrency.
Oh,
And
I wouldn't use that as a case use at all.
And it had fits and starts, obviously. Still, people are still thinking about it. The SEC is still trying to figure out whether those offerings are securities or not. Healthcare seems to be an avenue that optimizes multiple industry expertise needs. We've spoken today with healthcare professionals, we've spoken today with technologists, we've spoken today with economists. We've spoken about incentives and about aligning incentives. So does that make you optimistic about what we can do in healthcare with blockchain?
Oh, no doubt whatsoever. That's why I launched the journal. And believe me, I was told I was out of my mind and that I would fail. Not so much. And we continue to prove them wrong. And now it's, still we're in our infancy with over 100,000, abstract views and downloads. And literally, we just launched the journal yesterday, if you look at the timeline, with well over 70 citations. And that's rather unheard of for a journal just out of the gate, a peer-reviewed journal, mind you, an academic journal just out of the gate. So our standard is far higher than others. So really, the trajectory and the track record is quite remarkable.
Well, that's terrific. The word trailblazer is thrown around rather loosely, but you are a trailblazer, Tory.
We like to walk our talk, and I think you've seen that at the conference today. You've seen that with our speakers today. You've seen that with the content today. And this is the standard that we set, and what our reputation is built upon, and what we are recognized for.
Well, may the year ahead be as wonderful as the year behind.
Thank you so
Thank
very
you so
much.
much.
Thank you very, very much. It's my pleasure again.
The 2019 Converge to Accelerate conference is brought to you by IEEE, the world's largest technical professional organization for the advancement of technology. Boehringer Ingelheim, passionately working to improve healthcare. NASCO, advancing digital health together. IPSI US, the Association of Independent Workers, for one, for all. Partners in Digital Health, publishers of the forward-reaching blockchain in Healthcare Today and Telehealth and Medicine Today. Special consideration to iWorker Innovations, taking the independent workforce to new heights. Connected Health Conference, designing for healthy habits and better outcomes. Haven Health Solutions, providing true blockchain transactional interoperability. Special thanks to Seaport World Trade Center for hosting us. And a special thanks to 1-800 Public Relations for all your PR and media support. We'll be right back after these messages. Don't go away.